Yeah, that is probably your best bet.
Yeah.
I'm a boner.
That's what she said.
I love it. So, today we're making Manhattans. Another beautiful classic cocktail, been around since the 1800s. Once again, starting with limited small ingredients that were kind of the only ones available. But it's delicious, and honestly, this is one of my first favorite classic cocktails. And it started with my cousin Maggie, thinking she was super cool, bringing them and making them in our apartment together back in Boston. And she's still super cool, and I love you, Maggie. So shout out for basically kickstarting my career. Just kidding. So we're starting off with bitters in a mixing glass. Let's rock with Angostura today, that gorgeous yellow cap. 1, 2, 3. I kind of have a heavy hand on bitters in general. That's just me. This is a really beautiful sweet vermouth that we're gonna use, and it's called Carpano Antica. You can use all sorts of different varieties, but it's a sweet vermouth. And anytime you are not using vermouth, please keep it in the fridge. It's a fortified wine. So it has spirit in it, but it also has the ability to turn and get funky the longer it sits out. So please do that for everyone's sake. So we're gonna do 1 ounce of this, and this cocktail is super easy and beautiful because you can go by the 3-2-1 rule. 3 dashes of bitters, 2 ounces of, we're using Rittenhouse Rye, one of my favorites, and then 1 ounce of the sweet vermouth. 3, 2, 1.
1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, hey, hey.
2 ounces. Add ice. This is one of the cocktails. I mean, it's your drink. You can drink any drink however you want. But this is one of the drinks that people ask, up or on the rocks. Here at Paddock, we serve it on a big cube, which is really fun. It gets really hot here in Charleston, especially when you're drinking whiskey, especially when you're drinking a few of them. So it's nice to have something that slow dilutes, and you're still holding on to your drink, but it's not really completely messing up what you're actually drinking. Big cube. Pour over. Garnish with a cherry. Boop. And that's a Manhattan. Simple, easy, beautiful, impressive to guests that have never had one. It takes 5 seconds to make, and you need very small amounts in your home bar. We're super happy to make them for you here on James Island and the upcoming Park Circle location, where you can find me sometime in the midsummer, fall. We're building it out, and it's gonna be freaking awesome. Cheers!